So I figured I'll show you how to put in an air filter today in your ML430. So you want to pop your hood, open it up. Your air filter is located right here. You got this little tabs. If you see, right here and here. Flip this up, comes undone, just like so. You got tabs all the way around the sides. You need to undo. Once they all are undone, even one here, you got a total of 6 tabs. You can just move this up out of the way, reach in just like so, and pull out your air filter. Now I just replaced this, and I didn't get to video it. So you would take your old air filter out, clean inside your box, buy your new air filter. I do not have the part number for this one. I think that's the part number. It's a Pure like the A35470. It fits in pretty perfect. So it goes in, looks to be one way, just like so. Looks correct. And then it installs the same way. It just sets down just like so. And you take your little tabs, turn them over all the way around, and it will lock it down and make it seal. I might need to attach it in another video. I think it goes around this or somewhere. Who knows? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. More videos on the Mercedes coming soon.